Hello everyone, so welcome to our next video on phonics. So here is the group 2 of phonics, and if you have not watched a group 1 video, so I will be sharing the link below this video. Do check it out, and then next we will start with this group 2 today. So the letters of group 2 are k, K. Yes, the sound of both these letters is same, but as the kids practice, they will come to know that how they will make a difference. So let's see that later on. So first we'll just see the letter sounds. K, K, eh, h, r, d. So first let them know the letter sounds properly, and then we can go with our CV words, consonant and vowel. So here we have only one vowel, E, but in the group 1 we had two vowels, I and A. So we will use these letters along with those vowels also. So first we will make the CV words with letter E, and then with letter A, and then with letter I. So let them practice it thoroughly. Ne, p, pe, h, he, r, d, d, me, ke, s, t, t. And here with letter A. H, ha, r, ra, d, da, m, ma, k, ka. Next with letter I. H, he, r, ri, me, d, ki. So as you can see with the vowels, along with C you will have A. You will not have E with C. So whenever there is a vowel E, you will find K there, and I, K. So like this, the difference will be there for letter sound of K and K. So whenever there is A, it will be C. Whenever there will be I and E, it will be K. So this is the difference. We will learn more about it in our further videos. So for now, so after doing the CV words, we will form our CVC words. So now we will practice the CVC words. K, cat, cat, cat. H, hen, r, red, ma, mat, ma, man, hat, ran, rat, den, hop, he, hip, he, him, set, pet, rip, dip, dad, pad, he, hid, kid, kid. So like this you can practice all the words like this slowly. So here I have made this visual discrimination activity. As you can see, a circle, and here I have written this. First I have written the letters of the group 2, and then next I have made the CV words, and next the CVC words. So let's see how this activity will go, and here I have some letters and the same CV words and CVC words here. So let's see. Okay, so let's see how this activity go. Here we have this the letters, the CV words and the CVC words. So let's start with the letter first. So we'll place it here, and this is our same circle like this, a blank circle. So like this. Now she has to see which place is the letter and place the same cards. So for example, C is here, next is K, E, H, R, D is here, M is here, and then I have made a CVC word, a sight word, just to practice along with it. So like this, it is a visual discrimination activity, and it is a very good activity to practice the letter sounds. Kids will just see the letters, and then they will search for it and they will say the sound. So it really makes the learning very fun and interesting for kids. So now let's see with the next card. So next, now we will practice this with CV words. So again we will take it like this and place it accordingly. So t, a, ta, h, a, ha. So kids can just match it and do it, and this is a really fun and interesting way to teach kids. And if your kids can't do it with other circle, they can just practice it on the same circle itself. T, a, ta. So they can just match it like this. So this will also be a very good way to teach them. So like this, you can make different circles, or you can try it in the same circle, just matching it. So this is a very nice activity. So now for the CVC words, they can just take a card and read it. Rip. So rip is here. So they will just match it. So like this, kids can just practice it. That's it for this video, and do share this video with your friends, like this video, and see you in my next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.